Hello students, in this video we will learn the basic concepts of the number system. So first, what do you mean by natural number? So natural number is a set of counting number. If you want to count anything, so we start counting from number 1, right? So the natural number starts from number 1, 2, 3 and so on, and the natural number is denoted by capital letter N. Then what do you mean by whole number? Whole numbers are the set of natural numbers along with the zero. Here in whole number, 0 is included along with the natural number. So that is 1, 2, 3, so on. Usually we denote the whole number by capital letter W. So here all the natural numbers are whole numbers. All the whole numbers are not the natural number, because in the whole number 0 is included, whereas in the natural number 0 is not included. Next, integer. So integer, we have a plus and minus sign for the natural number. 0 has no plus or minus sign, but the natural number has either plus or minus 1. It can be a plus 1 or minus 1. So plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, so on. Next, rational number. So any number that can be represented in the form of P by Q. Any number that can be represented in the form of P by Q, we call it as an rational number. Say for example 2. So 2 in the denominator, we don't have any number, means we can write it as 1. Now it is in the form of P by Q. 0.5. So this 0.5, if we represent in the fraction, it becomes 5 by 10, which means it is in the form of P by Q. So any such number which can be represented in the form of P by Q, we call it as an rational number. Next, what do you mean by irrational number? So the number that cannot be represented in the form of P by Q, we call such a number as irrational number. For example, root 2, root 5, root 7, so on. We can give any example. And even pi. So value of pi is 3.14, and after the decimal the number keeps on repeating. So it cannot be represented in the form of P by Q. Next, real numbers. Real numbers is a set of rational and irrational number. So the set of rational and irrational number, we call it as a real number. So this is the basic concepts of number system. So look at the example here and identify the rational and irrational number. So first one is 2 minus root 5. So here root 5 is there. Root 5 is an irrational number. So therefore 2 minus root 5 will become a irrational number. So in the second one we have 3 plus root 3 minus root 3. So plus and minus 2 different sign. So at that time the number will get cancelled. So plus root 23 minus root 23 get cancelled. So the number left out is 3. So 3 is an rational number. Now in the next example we have 2 root 7 by 7 root 7. So in numerator and denominator root 7 is same and it cancel and the number becomes 2 by 7. So 2 by 7 is a rational number. Next, 1 by root 2. Root 2 is an irrational number. Root 23. So root 23 cannot be represented in the form of P by Q. Therefore, it is an irrational number. Look at the next one. Root 225. So 225 can be written as 15 into 15. That is nothing but 15 square. So 15 square is 225. So the number we got is 15. So 15 is an rational number. Next, 0.3796. It is an terminating decimal. So the terminating decimal means the decimal is the number is ending after a certain number, right? So this can be written as 3796 by, so after decimal we have 4 numbers, so therefore divide by 10,000. So now we have written in the form of P by Q, therefore it is a rational number. Here 1.10, again sequence repeat 100, 1 3 times 0 and so on. So this cannot be written in the form of P by Q. Therefore it is an irrational number. Hope you have understood the basic concept of the number system and the concept of rational and irrational number. Thank you.